Hello everyone, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In today's video, we will continue our discussion with classes and objects in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. In today's video, we will just look at how to create class and objects but without any properties or behavior. So let us see this in action, right? So here what I have done is I've created this class called person, right? And you must notice one thing, that before the class name I have written this keyword called as class, right, in lowercase. So if you specify the name of the class and before that you add this class keyword, then it becomes your class, right? And within your class body you have the properties and the behavior. So your properties are name, age, weight, while your behavior are like walking, running. So this will come inside the class body. So similar to your class person, you can also write something like this: class car and your opening and closing parentheses. So this will become your class car, right? So you know that this class is a logical unit, right? And in order to create an object from this class template, we can use one of the methods to create an object. So what we can do is we can use this new keyword. So here in this statement, I have written this, person class. Then I have this variable name person1. And after the equal to sign, I have written this new keyword followed by the class name. But after that, you can see that I have this round brackets. So this is called as your constructor, right? So constructor is having the class name and the round brackets, right? So this is one of the ways to create your object in Java. So here you can see I have used this new keyword. So the main function of this new keyword is to actually allocate the memory for your object. As you know that object actually occupies the space, right? So it will allocate the memory for your object, and your objects are stored in the special memory called as the heap memory, right? And we will discuss that in the later videos, what are heap memory and what are the other type of memory spaces, right? For now you just need to remember that new keyword is used to create an instance of your class, right? So it will allocate the memory. Similarly, if you want to create the object of your car class, you can write something like this: car1 equals to new car, and then the round brackets, right? So this will create an object of your car, right? So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.